When we take measurements, we need a way to discuss how precise a measurement is. For example, if we look out at this crowd, one way to measure would be to simply guess how many people there are. Perhaps we could guess 10,000. But what if everyone at this event bought a ticket and we could learn that 10,364 people showed a ticket for entry? This is a much more precise number because it has more significant figures in it than 10,000. A significant figure, or a sig fig, is a digit that contributes to the precision of a value. For another example, if we wanted to find the mass of an object, we could weigh it on a balance that tells us that it's 4.3 grams. But what this really means is that it is somewhere between 4.25 and 4.34 grams. But if we use a more sophisticated balance, we might find out that it is 4.3279 grams. Again, there is uncertainty associated with the last digit, but this new number is a more precise measurement than the first because it has more significant figures. How do we know which figures are significant and which are not? Well, there are a couple simple rules to follow. 1. Any non-zero digit is significant. 1, 2, 3, up to 9, they are all significant. We will see that only zeros can be insignificant. So 4.3 has two significant figures. 2. Zeros in between non-zero digits are significant. So 4.03 has three significant figures. 3. Leading zeros, the ones that come before the first non-zero digit, are not significant. So 0.00043 has only two significant figures. And 4. Trailing zeros, the ones after the last non-zero digit, are only significant if they are decimal zeros. So 10,000 has just one significant figure. But if we put all of those numbers after the decimal place, it will now have 5 because all those trailing zeros are now decimal zeros. Ready to try one? Okay. Take a second and decide how many sig figs are in this number. Did you say 4? Then you're right. The leading zeros don't count, but the other numbers do because they are either non-zero, in between non-zeros, or trailing decimal zeros. Now we should be able to identify the number of significant figures in any value.